Is the world of finance buzzing in your ears, but you feel like you're stuck on the sidelines, watching everyone else ride the wave? Have you heard whispers of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and digital assets, and wondered if it's too late to get in on the action? Or maybe you've tried to dip your toes in, only to be overwhelmed by jargon, complex platforms, and a fear of making the wrong move? You're not alone. The digital revolution is here, and with it, a new frontier of investment opportunities. Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, has captured the imagination of millions, promising a decentralized future and the potential for significant financial growth. But for many, the path to acquiring and trading Bitcoin seems shrouded in mystery. They hear about volatility, hacks, and complicated charts, and often retreat before even starting. What if I told you there's a straightforward, secure, and user-friendly way to begin your Bitcoin trading journey? What if you could navigate the exciting world of digital assets with confidence, even if you're a complete beginner? Today, we're going to demystify the process. We're going to walk you, step by step, through how to start trading Bitcoin on one of the most reputable and secure cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, Gemini. Gemini isn't just another exchange, it's a platform built with security, compliance, and user experience at its core. Founded by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, the very individuals who famously played a pivotal role in Facebook's early days, Gemini has established itself as a trusted name in the crypto space. They prioritize regulatory adherence, offering a level of institutional-grade security that can put many new traders at ease. This isn't about chasing fleeting trends or risking your life savings on obscure altcoins. This is about understanding the fundamentals, learning how to use a reliable platform, and taking your first informed steps into the world of Bitcoin trading. So, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to confidently begin your Bitcoin trading journey on Gemini. We'll cover everything from setting up your account and understanding the interface to making your first trade and implementing basic risk management strategies. This isn't financial advice, of course, but it is a comprehensive guide to getting started. Let's dive in. The very first step, and arguably the most crucial, is setting up your Gemini account. Think of this as establishing your secure gateway to the crypto universe. Head over to Gemini.com. You'll be prompted to sign up, and this is where the journey truly begins. You'll start by entering your email address and creating a strong, unique password. I cannot stress the importance of a strong password enough. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And please, do not reuse passwords you use for other online services. Once you've set your password, you'll need to confirm your email address through a verification link sent to your inbox. This is a standard security measure and ensures you're the legitimate owner of the email provided. Next comes the identity verification process, often referred to as KYC, or Know Your Customer. This is a mandatory step for regulated financial institutions, and Gemini, being one of the most regulated exchanges, takes this very seriously. While it might seem like an extra hurdle, it's essential for your security and for the platform's compliance with anti-money laundering laws. You'll typically be asked to provide personal information such as your full name, date of birth, address, and your social security number if you're in the U.S., or an equivalent national identification number in other regions. You'll also need to upload images of a valid government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. Gemini's verification process is generally swift, but it can take a few minutes to a few hours depending on their current volume. Be patient, and ensure your uploaded documents are clear and legible to avoid delays. Once your identity is verified, the next critical step is enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA. If there's one piece of security advice you take from this video, let it be this: enable 2FA. It adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it significantly harder for unauthorized individuals to access your funds, even if they somehow manage to get your password. Gemini offers various 2FA methods, including authenticator apps like Google Authenticator or Authy, and security keys like YubiKey. I highly recommend using an authenticator app for ease of use, but a hardware security key offers the highest level of protection. This extra step will protect your account from phishing attempts and other malicious activities. Do not skip this. Now that your account is set up and secured, it's time to fund it. You need to deposit fiat currency, that's traditional money like US dollars, euros, or British pounds, into your Gemini account before you can buy Bitcoin. Gemini offers several deposit methods, which may vary depending on your geographical location. Common methods include bank transfers via ACH in the US, wire transfers, and debit card deposits. For US users, ACH transfers are often the most convenient and cost-effective option, though they can take a few business days to clear. Wire transfers are typically faster but might incur higher fees from your bank. Debit card deposits offer instant funding but often come with higher transaction fees from Gemini itself. To initiate a deposit, navigate to the Transfer or Deposit section of your Gemini account, select your preferred currency and method, and follow the on-screen instructions. Always double-check the details before confirming the transfer to avoid any errors. Once your funds have cleared, you'll see your balance reflected in your Gemini account. With your account funded, you're ready to make your first Bitcoin purchase. Gemini offers a very intuitive interface for buying cryptocurrencies. On the main dashboard, you'll typically see a Buy or Trade button. Click on it and select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You'll then have the option to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, either in terms of fiat currency, e.g., I want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, or in terms of Bitcoin quantity, e.g., I want to buy 0.001 Bitcoin. Gemini will display the current market price of Bitcoin and the corresponding amount you'll receive. Before confirming, review the transaction details, including any fees. Gemini prides itself on transparency regarding fees, so you'll see exactly what you're paying. Once you're comfortable, click Buy Bitcoin. Congratulations! You've just made your first Bitcoin purchase on Gemini. Your Bitcoin will now be reflected in your Gemini portfolio. Now, buying is just one side of the coin. Trading implies the ability to buy and sell, and often, to speculate on price movements. Gemini offers different trading interfaces to cater to varying levels of experience. For beginners, the simple buy and sell interface is usually sufficient. But if you want more control, or to place more advanced order types, Gemini's Active Trader interface is a powerful tool. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.